Question 1. Who was the guru of Shivaji? Options A. Namdev, B. Ramdas, C. Eknath, D. Tukaram. Your correct answer will be option B. Ramdas. Question 2. The color of sky appears blue due to options are A. Reflection, B. Refraction, C. Scattering of light, D. Dispersion. Your correct answer will be option B. Refraction. Question 3. The electric surge is stored in a device called A. Inductor, B. Capacitor, C. Resistor, D. Transformer. Your correct answer will be option B. Capacitor. Question 4. Who was the first sultan of Delhi to introduce the practice of sijda? Options are A. Firoz Tughlaq, B. Alauddin Khilji, C. Ghiyasuddin Balban, D. Muhammad Tughlaq. Your correct answer will be option C. Ghiyasuddin Balban. Question 5. Full form of URL. Options A. Uniform Resource Locator, B. Uniform Resource Link, C. Uniform Registered Link, D. Unified Resource Link. Your correct answer will be option A. Uniform Resource Locator. Question 6. The first woman film star nominated to the Rajya Sabha. Options are Nargis Datta, B. Shabana Azmi, C. Madhubala, D. Meena Kumari. Your correct answer will be option A. Nargis Datta. Question 6. The power of lens is measured in. Options are A. Diopter, B. Aeon, C. Lumen, D. Candle. Your correct answer will be option A. Diopter. Question 7. Judges of Supreme Court retire at the age of. Options are A. 60 year, B. 62 year, C. 64 year, D. 65 year. Your correct answer will be option D. 65 years. Question 8. India win its first Olympic hockey gold in. Options are A. 1928, B. 1932, C. 1936, D. 1984. Your correct answer will be option A. 1928. Question 9. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? Options are A. Right to equality, B. Right to liberty, C. Right against exploitation, D. Right to property. Your correct answer will be option D. Right to property. Question 10. Through which constitutional amendment was the Nagar palika bill passed? Options are A. 70, B. 72, C. 73, D. 74. Your correct answer will be option D. 74.